Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced
chiropractor.
Let's break it down.
Many people get stuck on this word, but it's actually simple. The correct way is chiropractor. Start with chi, like saying the name Kai. Then ro, and finish with practor. Your turn now. Let's say it 3 times together. Chiropractor. 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 Smooth, right? If you got it correct all 3 times, you just mastered a tricky word.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Chiropractor. 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 Chiropractor.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.